Welcome, my dear students, friends, and colleagues. Now that you have seen how to import data from CSV format, data from SPSS, and data from Excel into R for further analysis, finally, I am going to show how to import data from Stata. You can also import data from SAS as well. Stata, SPSS, and SAS are basically statistical programs. In this video, I am going to show how to import data from Stata into R. So let me open my R Studio, and but before that, let me show my Stata data. This is the data that I would like to import into R. You can see name of this file is HSB2, that is High School and Beyond Survey. This data is available online that I have downloaded for analysis purpose for my students. I imported the same data from Excel into R, from SPSS into R, and from CSV format into R, and now I'm going to shift this data or import this data from Stata into R. So since we are in Stata, it says there are 200 observations and the number of variable is 11, and the size of this file is 2400. This data was saved on 25th of June 2025. These are the various variables. So some of the variables are qualitative or descriptive, and some of the variables are quantitative. So I'm going to show that exactly the same number of observation on 11 variable will be imported into R. So let me minimize this, and after this I'll open my R Studio. Here is my R. So if I open my R, it will be like this. There are three areas again. This is the console area, this is environment, and in addition to environment there is a history tab, there is connections tab, there is tutorial tab. Down here there are tabs like files, plots, packages, help, viewer, and presentation. I'm not going to further detail, but I'm going to import data. So go to import data sets. Since I'm going to import this data from Stata format, so I'll go to browse, and after browse I'll click on the Stata file. Let me write HSB. This is data. This is the SEB2. This is in Stata format. This file is in SPSS format. This is in CSV format, and the same file is in XLS format. So I'll click on this because I want to import this file, which is in Stata format. Open, and after open it, the file will open here. So it has been retrieved here. After this, I'll click on import, and after a few moments the file has been opened here. You can see in the environment this is the same file that was in Stata, and as I told you, 200 observations. So these are again the 200 observations on 11 variables. These are the 11 variables, and if we go down by scrolling, we will see that there are exactly 200 observations that we saw in Stata. So there are 200 observations. Okay, so after this we can save this file here in R, and it can be used for further analysis. Since I have already saved this file, so let me remove it from the environment. So I'll broom it, and if I say yes, it will be green. Similarly, I can also click on this, and after this I would like to close it down, and it will say, it is asking me whether you want to save this in our data or not. Since I am not going to save, if I want to save, I click on this and then I'll give it a particular name. It will be saved, so it has already been saved. If I don't want to save, then I will click on don't save, and we will go out of RStudio.